So what do we got here today on Minnesota is Rust?
A little fabrication project. So like a good little gift idea if you want. It's pretty easy. You have 5 nuts and then like 3 washers and a ridiculously cheap chunky welder.
Hey now, titanium 125 for the win. Vulcan Harbor Freight wire for the win. I don't know if that brush is any good, but it works. So yeah, a grinder that costs more than the whole welder. Just saying.
You can get away with like one of the $11 Harbor Freight ones.
True.
So yeah, it's pretty easy. You just like weld around circles and then you can like grind it.
So what's in the middle?
It's just these are just a stack of washers, and then the hole on top's welded up. It's pretty easy. And you have your head, and then you have all your fins. So it's more like a sea turtle. It's easier than like trying to like make legs.
We're on the ocean right now. There it goes. So we're using our gangster Wilton vise.
Wilton bullet vise.
And what are you working on, or what are you doing next to it? To that.
Next to this?
Yep.
Next after this?
So, what is the next step for your sea turtle?
I need to finish grinding up some of the stuff. I gotta like finish grade down that side, and to this side. And I gotta touch up a little bit on some of these, and then I'll probably work on making another little animal for a gift.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
To be continued.
Yeah. You can get away with using your El Cheapo clamp-on Harbor Freight vise
On your vintage
typewriter desk,
which we have used for welding fabrication stand for a couple years now. They work super slick. We have a couple of these, and they're kind of neat. So, okay, we'll be back. Quick project here in Minnesota is Rust. Converting Rhino Ramps into something low profile for low front wheel drive cars. The internet says that these are about a 15-degree departure angle, and the internet also says you want about a 10-degree departure angle for something low. So we're going to build some adapters that go onto here. Looking at the prices of something that might work online, we could probably build something pretty easy. So let's give it a whirl. You're live.
Here's an idea that could probably work pretty good. Is we have this piece of angle iron. I would sit. There'd be a notch in it right here, and you could sit right in that groove. And you have that piece would go right across here, and that would be bolted to the bottom of that, and you can just drive on that. Yeah, and then that's one way. You can work. And then, yeah. You look at this idea. This would be like a piece of angle iron. It's a foot wide.
So it's foot wide. Okay, here we go. Perfect. We'll save that for a rainy day. Oh, that should slide right in. I'll put this in time lapse. Oh, that should be good right there.
We're cutting a notch in here to go around this thing.
To go around
That.
the logo. We got Megan action going. There we go.
So one of our first iterations of our extending Rhino Ramp design is a really old piece of really thick plywood stuff with a piece of firm machinery angle iron that's really hard and really thick. And you have holes in it that are evenly spaced and the same size.
Evenly spaced.
I really had to reach around once to get them narrow enough to fit on here. So then you set them on there, and then we don't have any bolts on either side at the moment, so this is like
Like usual.
this is like a model bolt. So it would be like that.
So if we do carriage bolts, it'll be smooth on the bottom. Have them just protrude enough to get a washer and a nut on. You can drive over that, no problem. And that angle should be pretty close to what we need.
Optimal angle would be approximately right there.
Ooh, that's pretty close to that.
It's not terribly far off.
Okay, final thoughts on version 1 of Extendo Rhino Ramp 2000.
My preference would be make a more solid, stable version out of like steel, but I think this could work pretty okay. Yeah.
So at this time we hit almost 244.
Almost 250.
Oh, we're almost 250 subs.
Yeah.
And today is February
19th.
19th, 2023. So, starting our second year. Here we go. Making noise with metal. That's loud. Here we go.